Meritage Automotive Center has expanded. Meritage Automotive Center, located in beautiful downtown Auburn, is a trusted name for automobile repair in Auburn, California. Ray Makari, owner of Meritage Automotive Center, Meritage Auto Repair, has served this community for repairs with honest advice, affordable services, and reliable repairs. Located in downtown Auburn, European Auto Care offers comprehensive repair services for popular European makes and models. Some of our services include smog testing, brakes and rotators, transmissions, alignment services, maintenance checks, and others. With over 27 years of experience in the car industry, a master automotive technician, an advanced level specialist in European and other foreign cars, European Auto Care in Auburn, in the former Big O Tires building at 984 Lincoln Way, specializes in European-made vehicles, among them Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and Volvo. Meritage European Auto Care in Auburn uses the most advanced alignment equipment and technology in the whole area. Meritage Euro Auto Care takes care of everything A to Z: routine maintenance and servicing, diagnostics, alignment, and any smog repairs. We use the most advanced alignment equipment and technology in the whole area. Meritage European Auto Care in Auburn remains competitive in the marketplace by keeping current on the cars he services. All staff members are highly trained and experts in what they do. Meritage European Auto Care in Auburn offer many convenient appointment times to accommodate your busy schedule. Our repair garage is open 6 days a week. We understand that you have work to do, errands to run. Bringing your car in for a service is just one of the many things on your to-do list. Allow our team to make your life easier by completing needed repairs in a timely manner. We offer easy-to-understand explanations of problems, and we have the equipment needed to make an accurate diagnosis. Meritage European Auto Care in Auburn technicians have completed rigorous on-the-job training and repair courses to gain the prestigious designation of European Car Specialist. Our team has a variety of skills, which allows us to offer the highest quality of services in the area. No project is too big or too small for our team. Bring your European car, truck, or SUV to our team if you want the best services at an affordable price and live nearby. Auburn, Rockland, Granite Bay, Roseville, Grass Valley, Meadow Vista, Lincoln. Meritage European Auto Care hire only the best technicians in the industry. All of our techs have done the necessary work to become advanced level master technicians and factory certified. Meritage has knowledgeable and trained employees on site and ready to help. You can rest easy knowing you are getting the most up-to-date information about your repairs and services. Our employees are friendly and willing to help with whatever you need. You can expect exceptional customer service whenever you visit European Auto Care. Meritage Euro Auto Care's second location, located on Lincoln Way in Auburn, focusing on all your Asian and American cars. When it comes to your high-performance import, you don't want to leave maintenance and repair work to just any company. Hire the best. Meritage European Auto Care in Auburn understands the intricacies of Japanese and Korean imports and how to get the absolute best performance from your vehicle. European Auto Care in Auburn is a certified smog inspection center. Call us today. Schedule an appointment to bring your car in. You will enjoy a comfortable waiting area or take a short walk to beautiful Auburn for a pleasant shopping or dining experience while we take care of your automotive needs.